What's up, guys? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. 4L60E. Rebuild for Rodan. Gonna try to follow Starkey guy, who is representing transmissionbench.com. You guys go check them out. They're on part 2, lesson. What lesson is this? Part 2, lesson 7. So he's telling me to
and will support
take this valve and put some juice on it. So here we go. He called it some type of valve. I don't know. Y'all go over there and check him out. He'll tell you what kind of valve it is. He just does this and then he places it in the bore like this. It seems kind of strange, but that's what he does. I don't know if he goes this way or that way. Hold on, let me go check and see how he does it. Let's see, I don't want to make no mistakes. I gotta go close to the TV, guys. Hold on. Wish I can pause you. But instead of pausing, stupid thing just stops. Let me see now. He takes the valve, and he's got the pointed side up and the flat side down. And he's going in with it. Then when he goes in with it, he pushes it in all the way down with his finger, and then he turns it on its side. And he said from there it should just fall in. Now that, I don't know. He says it should fall in all the way down to the end. If it doesn't, you take those springs, put them in there. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let me try what he did, guys. Let me try what he did. Hold on. So he took it like this, and see, I see some. You see these? I don't know if you could see these. See these little ridges here? A ridge here, and there's a ridge here. Now how that goes, I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead on and just pop it in there. It's a pretty tight fit, guys. I mean, precision instrument, I guess so. I'm not gonna force it in there. I'll wait till it finds its way in there. Doesn't want to find its way in there. No, it's not in this one. It's in this one. Well, this ain't easy, I'm telling you. Because I'm not finding. It's not slipping in there the way it's supposed, like he did it. It's not slipping in there. And I don't know why. It came out of there. It should slip in there. Love will find a way. This is unacceptable. I know it doesn't go this way. I'm just checking something out. Let me make sure I'm on the right side here. So he's got his turned down like this with the stator up high. He's got the stator up high like this, and he's taking it in his hand like this. Put some juice on it. Then he didn't put it in this one, he put it in this one, and it just seemed to just go in when he did it. When he did it, it seemed to just... Oh, okay, that's because I was on the wrong side, guys. I was on the wrong side. See how it works, man? It don't pay. Does not pay. Wait a minute now, wait. Am I crazy? That ain't right. Now, let me look at this thing again. Y'all know I'm old. Now he's got it up high like this. He's got it up high. Then he reaches down. He doesn't go here. He takes it and he puts it in this one. Puts it in this one. That's what he does, but it looks like it's too big. Okay, here we go. There it goes. Check it out. What's going on in there? I just guided it in. I mean, I'm old, guys. Y'all don't say nothing to me. See, it went on in. Just like he said it would. See, it's going on in there. Just like he said it would. What's going on in there? There it is. Then he turned it over and he said it's supposed to be just like that. A little halfway down there. Not all the way in there, just a little bit down on there. Whew, it's crazy. I'm just turning mine in this board. I'm trying to see, make sure. Because he did not mention that it's supposed to go all the way down. Let's go see what he got to say about it. Y'all go see what he got to say about it. Because what I'm seeing, it's hitting the bottom. See ya, it's hitting the bottom. All right, so after that, then what? He took this, whatever this is. He called the name of it. He popped it in the hole. He went all the way in, turned it on its side, pushed it in even further, and it went all the way down, and it looks just like his. Hold on, see what he got to say. Hold it. What you said? What you say, bro? Let's see what he said.
And it should fall in. The end of the valve should rest here. Place the 2 springs in.
2 springs.
The booster sleeve and valve.
2 springs now. Question is, which 2 springs? No, we know what this one is. This one goes to that ball right there, or does it? No. Which 2 springs is it? Is it these 2? Like that? Or is it this? Like that? I have forgotten. So we know that one going in. So it's going to be one of these 2 springs. The question is, which one? That's the question. Let me go see if I can see what he's talking about. Because when I took mine out, I had them together at one time, but then I went and washed them. So one of these, I don't know if it's this one and this one, or this one and that one. Let me go check it out. I'm gonna pause y'all and I'll come back to make sure.